Hello, my name is Nill with Nill Building Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to install a concrete fastener through a membrane roof into a concrete structure. Now I'm going to show you the old way to do it, and then I'm going to show you the Nill way to do it. Now, the old way, you would take whatever the object is, you would pre-drill your hole that we did, you would shoot some caulk, and then you would simply screw through that with the concrete fastener, and you would hope that you are sealed. Also, the more you tighten the old way, the more stress the concrete is under, because the more you tighten, the more you're pulling up on the concrete and you're causing great stress to the concrete, which will crack over time. Now, the Nill way, you add your sealant under the fastener. Now we take our NB3C. See that caulk groove underneath? There's a waterproof threaded port. Allen key for easy install. We come in all sizes. This one is a 1/2 inch caulk groove. We have 3/4. We have all sizes. Now you simply install your NB3C into the concrete. See that seal you have around there? Plus, you know you have the caulk groove underneath, so it's the perfect seal. Water's not going to get in. Now we attach whatever we want into that waterproof threaded port. And unlike a typical fastener, the more we tighten down, the more we are pushing on our flange, and we are causing no additional stress to the concrete below. The more we tighten this down, the more we push on the flange. There is no stress on the concrete below, and concrete will not crack over time because it's not under the stress like typical anchors.